Welcome in your general knowledge class. I wish an enjoying day to all my dear ones. Yes, class, we are at the concluding part of Unit 3 World Around, and today is the turn of page number 37 and of course 38 also. And now we are here. Test your wisdom. It means we have to go through the miscellaneous exercises based on all the previous chapters of Unit 3. So it's very interesting to judge our knowledge, what we have attained yet. So here we are to sort it out. At first place, we are having read the statements given below, write true and F for false, means true and false. We have to attempt here. First is Colombo is the capital city of Sri Lanka. So is it true or false? Yes, beta, it's absolutely true. At number 2, Tenzing Norgay was awarded with Padma Vibhushan. So is it true or false? No, beta. It is the false one. It is the false one. At number 3, Bharatpur Sanctuary is the largest sanctuary in India. Bharatpur Sanctuary is the largest sanctuary in India. Yes, bache, it's true. And next is Chow mein is the famous food of China. Of course, famous food of China, and I know that you also love to eat it. Next is Japan was the first Asian country to hold the Olympic Games. Yes, beta, it's also true. Japan hold the Asian Games at the very first time in the Asian countries. Next is read the statements given below and complete them. You have to read the statements and you have to complete it. At first place, if you are in the land of Thunder Dragon, you would be in. So, which land we will be in? Thunder Dragon means Bhutan. भूटान बेटा वहाँ भूकंप बहुत आते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड थंडर ड्रैगन. एंड नंबर 2, इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू ईट समथिंग स्पेशल इन भूटान यू विल ईट. अब क्या खाएंगे आप? समथिंग स्पेशल यू वुड ईट थुक्पा. very famous dish of Bhutan, that is thukpa. Is it okay? At number 3, if you want to see Sanchi Stupa, you would visit the country. Sanchi Stupa is situated in your own country. Amazing. India. You will go with India. Next is, if you want to see Snake Park, okay, Snake Park, you will have to go to, it is also in India, and in which state? It is in Chennai. Would you like to go there? Are you scared of snakes? And E part, if you want to see Tenzing Norgay's birthplace, okay, you will visit the country, that is Nepal. Nepal is the country of Tenzing Norgay. Okay, students. Now we are attempting MCQs. Again, very interesting topic. Taj Mahal is a fort, memorial, or gateway. Taj Mahal is a, what do we call Taj Mahal? Is a memorial. ये यादगार है बेटा. Is a memorial. Next, he was the famous Indian classical singer. फेमस इंडियन क्लासिकल सिंगर भीमसेन जोशी, रामदास और अंगद. इट इज़ नन अदर देन श्री भीमसेन जोशी जी. नेक्स्ट इज अ प्लेस वेयर कॉइन्स आर मेड. कॉइन्स कहाँ बनते हैं बेटा? इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो. मिंट, बैंक और ट्रेजरी. इट्स मिंट. ओके. एच नंबर डी, द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड इज. कंट्री कौन सी है लार्जेस्ट सारी दुनिया में? रशिया, कनाडा और दैट इज इंडिया. लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इज रशिया. ओके. एट नंबर पेज 38, क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 4. नाउ in which we have to do, name the cities you would be visiting if you arrived at these airports. Okay, so we are having name of the airports. We have to find out in which city these airports are situated. Okay, Indira Gandhi International Airport, that is situated in which city? That is in New Delhi. That is in Indira Gandhi. The name itself is identifying the place New Delhi. Okay beta, New Delhi is the city. At number 2, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, and that is in Kolkata. You should know about this. That is in Kolkata. Okay. First it was named as Calcutta. Now it is in Kolkata. Next is Changi. That is S stands for none other than Singapore. It's the Singapore. Pore will be the correct spellings. Okay, Singapore. And Heathrow. Heathrow is you will reach the country London. You would like to be there, London. And next is John F. Kennedy, and you will reach the country very beautiful is the New York. In which city will you land? New York. Okay, so it's also interesting to know about the airports and the countries in which they are situated. At number 5, we are having the names of different countries and their capital cities are given below, and in 2 columns match them. Okay, name of the countries are here and we have to match their capitals. Capitals means राजधानी बेटा, जहाँ से हमारा सारा पार्लियामेंट वर्क द होल कंट्री इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. ओके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, beautiful country Australia, and having the capital that is Canberra. So we will write here Canberra A. At number 2, France. France, again very very beautiful country, and oh my god, the capital is Paris. Yes. At number 3, Indonesia, and the capital is Indonesia's capital is none other than Jakarta. Okay. At number 4, you are having Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, and the capital is Harare. Okay. At number 5, Malaysia, and the capital is 2 options are left, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so we will write here E. Last, South Korea, and the capital is Seoul. Okay, the capital will be Seoul. Okay, students, and here is at number 6, identify the following signs and symbols. And we know that first is rupees. First is, we know it well that it is rupees. Second is the symbol, you should know that it is dollar, S and dollar. And this is pound. Okay, this is pound. And this is the symbol of the currency, that is euro, euro. And this is Y, and Y stands for yen. Yes, students, I hope that this chapter is quite clear to you. Test your wisdom, and I know that you have attained full marks because you were well acquainted with the exercises as you have done them before. Just go through it once again. Thank you, students. Good.